Okay, now that we're at our sewing machine, there's a few things that we need to do before we actually start practicing our quilting. The first thing we're going to want to do is to lower our feed dogs. You can do this. Some sewing machines have a lever where you will lower them. Other machines just have a little cover that goes over the feed dogs. And this is important for whenever you are free motion quilting to have those feed dogs not working, because feed dogs are meant to pull the fabric straight through the machine. So it just goes straight through. But when you're free motion quilting, you're moving the fabric all around, and the feed dogs will just be fighting you while you're doing that. So it's very important to lower the feed dogs or cover them if you have a cover. Then you want to set your stitch length to 0. That's going to allow you to be in charge of kind of the length of the stitch and the speed at which you're pushing your foot pedal, or if your sewing machine has a speed control on it, that's going to help you just have a nice even stitch when you're quilting. Another thing that you want to do is you want to get a free motion quilting ruler foot. This is a specific foot that is meant to be used with rulers. If you see on the lip of the foot, it's a lot taller than a regular free motion quilting foot, and that's going to allow us to have that that foot right up against that template, and we can actually use the template as a guide as we're moving everything through. So that's a very important thing that you're going to want to invest in if you're going to be doing a lot of quilting with these quilting templates.